I am now visiting a vegetable and herbal garden called Taman Melati in Iwul Village, Bogor. The women group in this village has been demonstrating creative ways in mitigating climate change as well as in improving their livelihood by nursing the garden. So let's meet Ibu Yani, who happens to be the leader of this gardening initiative. She explains that she and other members have been started planting since a year ago. They've planted cassava, spinach, and other veggies which enable them to grow their own food, produce their own herbal medicine, and gain additional income by selling them. Not only maintaining the garden, the women group is also running a homemade herbal energy drink production, including product packaging and marketing. So let's catch up with Ibu Sati, who is in charge to supervise the energy drink process making. They manage to grow herbal plants like ginger, galangal, and turmeric to turn them into an energy drink through traditional and environmental friendly process making. Seeing this process, I'm really curious to see the herbal garden that Ibu Sati and her group has. So let's check it out. It is located a little remote. Deep down at the bushes, we can find the plantation land. Ibu Sati tells that the herbal she plants are clinically tested for traditional healing, especially for those who suffer back pain, headache, and menstrual pain. Wow, that's incredible. Next thing I found is another women group members who are picking the cassava leaves. They say that the leaves are for sale. The middleman is usually coming over to buy the veggies from them. This way, they can gain some cash to fuel the house. So that was how the local women group deploy innovative ways which demonstrate climate change mitigation, maintaining their health through herbal plants, along with getting extra money through the product and veggie selling.